The RTB-18 is a professional tool bag, perfect for anybody that needs to carry a bunch of tools from job site to job site. Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I am excited to talk to you about one of our latest new products, the RTB-18. The RTB-18 is a professional tool bag with 18 pockets, 7 in the front, 11 inside. It's perfect for anybody that needs to carry a bunch of tools from job site to job site or is constantly on the go and needs to bring a lot of tools with them. The RTB-18 features the following: 7 pockets in the front, one with a flap, great for holding small parts or small tools. 2 loops in the front here where I happen to have hanging S-beaner with a small roll of tape on it. The bag is made from 1680D ballistic nylon, has a telescoping handle in the back, great for wheeling around. The wheels on this are larger than normal and treaded for better traction and easier moving about. The RTB-18 also has 2 spots in the back where you can hang your measuring tape. Opening up the bag has a large mouth for easy access and 11 pockets on the inside, one which can be used for a laptop or Chromebook or something, some other computer like that. It has a thick padded front to protect it from getting damaged by the tools inside. Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below, subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.